Right, so we're at the Petrolheadonism live event this weekend at Knebworth House. We've set our stand up and we're now going to take you guys with us and show you the highlights of this year's event.
First things first, let's get to it. The wall of death. Look at all the quad on there. Look at them go.
I reckon you could do this on the crazy car.
I reckon we're going back to the stand.
I don't know what to expect here, Adam, because I've actually genuinely never seen one of these things before.
No, why? I reckon I just want to see the cart go round. That's all I want to see.
Think of that then, Adam.
I think they have got massive kahunas. Right, so Ian's one of our friends at Pop Bang Colour. He's actually drawn a couple of my cars as well. He's now got the garage flooring. So let's go see what he's got in here then.
How could we not? How could we not? Exactly, the route.
Ian, what's the best car you've ever painted?
The best drawing I've ever done is the garage style logo. Yes.
I see what you did there. I see what you did there.
Fact, my favourite. And I forgot to bring it with me again.
I like your flooring though.
The flooring, yeah, but well, I wouldn't have anything else.
That's it. And we couldn't just pick one colour for Ian. We had to just choose them all. So he's got every single one.
The conversation went, what colour do you want? I went, all of them.
Yes, that is true. Yeah, we did try and because most people just go for 1, 2 colours. Not Ian.
No.
Ian went for them all.
And I make sure that the colours don't go next to each other. It's very important. Got my vein from them. Which, look, come this way. Walk this way. Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh. Little clean up. Look at that. I didn't know you had that. It's made me all warm inside that. It wouldn't be the same if we come to a car meet. How can we not show you some cars? Lamborghini Storato. Adam C getting in his chaser. Boris. We've got Shiro's new one next to it. F40, Dodge Viper, and another, what's that, Ferrari P-Star maybe? Something like that down there. Can't see it right now, but it's there. Don't do it to me, man.
Do what to you, Adam?
I used to have an MX-5, 348 brake. She was a savage. I now don't have an MX-5, and painting's making me walk around and look at MX-5s. It makes me sad. Right, so we're here at Shmee's Cars now. Petrolheadism is not ever complete without the car collection of Shmee.
They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate.
I was just seeing Nick with the Challenger smoking some rubber, and then we got the Sheriff's car, the American car, just banging some flames as well. Can't get better than that for a burnout stage, eh? Come this way, we've got a PS13 here. This was the actual car in the Fast and Furious. It's Kaylee's car. Chaotic K. Right, so today we've got a few floors scattered around the show. We've got Dream Team Movers, Dan the Man, and we got the Gumball car as well. And no car show is complete without the Auto Finesse guys. Right, so you've seen a few of the trade stands, you've seen a few of the cars, but the best trade stand of all is the garage style trade stand. If you haven't seen it, Peyton's going to show you around.
Body up, I had to set them straight, I had to borrow, so I had to renovate, I know. They hate when you elevate. The second of losses, I'm handing them out, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear.